Hello, it's Nicole. I will be demonstrating the speech recognition option in Windows. To enable this feature, press the Windows button and the letter I at the same time. Windows button, letter I at the same time. Okay. Then you're going to scroll down until you see ease of access and go ahead and press on ease of access. All right. Then you're going to look for speech and click on speech. It says talk instead of type. All right. All right, dictate text and control your device using only your voice. All right, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to turn on speech recognition, and we're going to, mine's is off, to turn on speech recognition, mine's is off, so I'm going to go ahead and click that on. So you go ahead and press on, and then you'll see this box pop up, and it says starting speech recognition. All right, we're going to go back to our Word document. As you can see, it's off, and it will stay off until I press the microphone when I'm ready to speak into it. All right, I just want to point out that it is recommended that you use a headset for this. I do not have a headset, so I'm using just my microphone that's built in onto my computer. That's not the best. It's recommended that you use a headset. I guess to block out all the noise and just because you can speak directly into the headset microphone. I don't have a headset microphone, so I'm just going to use the built-in microphone on my computer. I would imagine that it will be more accurate with a microphone. So we'll go ahead and see how this works. Well, I'm sorry, with the headset microphone. All right, so I am ready to talk about my sentence about my favorite vacation spot. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to press the microphone to get ready. All right, so it says listening. My favorite vacation spot is Maine, period. I like to visit Maine because my brother and his children live there, period. Maine also has many beaches, period. I can't wait to visit Maine, period. I can't wait to visit Maine, period. All right, so as you can see, it attempts to type what I am saying. Again, I did not have a headset, so I can imagine that that's why this is not very accurate because I don't have a headset. Also, I wanted to point out that you want to to make sure that you use punctuations and that you say your punctuation. So for instance, if I'm saying I like Maine, I would put I like Maine and I would say period, and then it will type out the period for you. So things to remember: you want to make sure that you say the punctuation that you want the speech recognition to write for you. So I like Maine, period. Make sure you say that period so that it types the period out for you. And also something that seems to be very important is to use a headset that has a microphone with it. I believe that a headset with a microphone would make sure that the writing is more accurate. Okay, thank you for viewing this video. Again, it seems like if I had a headphone with a headset with a microphone, that this would have been more accurate. But the idea behind it is pretty interesting and could be very helpful. If you're trying it, I would definitely try it with a headset and a microphone. Thank you for viewing and have a great day.